Hi kids, welcome to Achi TV English. Today I am going to tell you a story about worried Ramu and coronavirus. Let's begin the story. Once there was a nurse called Angela. She wore white coat and white cap and went to the hospital every day. She looked after all the children at the hospital. Every morning, when she would leave for the hospital, Ramu would come and say, "Bye bye, Nurse Angela." But one morning, Ramu looked worried and he said, "Bye, Nurse Angela," in a very sad tone. When Nurse Angela saw this, she came to him and asked, "What happened, Ramu? Why are you looking worried?" "I'm scared because I heard on TV about coronavirus and from Mama and Dada. I'm worried that everything will not be okay." Hearing this, Nurse Angela was surprised and said, "Ramu, there are many incorrect information spread by people. You should not believe everything and get confused." Let me explain you about the coronavirus. See, coronavirus is an illness which is like cold or flu for most people. But some people like grandpa, grandma or other sick people might find it very difficult to recover from. We should protect ourselves and everyone around us so that they do not get this virus from us. Then Ramu asked, "Yesterday I saw Shomu coughing. Does he have coronavirus, Nurse Angela?" To this, she replied, No. Without proper COVID test, we cannot judge that Shomu has corona or not. Usually, dry cough, high fever and tiredness are the common symptoms for coronavirus. We should get tested immediately when we get these symptoms and separate ourselves from the family. Ramu nodded and asked, "But Nurse Angela, how can I protect myself from corona?" She replied, "It is easy, Ramu. Just remember 4 points. First, you should wash your hand regularly for at least 20 seconds. Second, try to stay at home and maintain distance from others. Third, wear a mask whenever you go outside. And fourth, get vaccinated as soon as possible." "Nurse Angela, but what do I do if my friends get sick with corona?" asked Ramu. Nurse Angela replied, "If you have been near somebody who is sick, then you should stay at home and you can play in your room. There will be plenty of food and lots of games to do at home. So, don't worry, Ramu." Ramu was quite relieved hearing this and he said, "Okay, Nurse Angela, but I will miss my friends and my school." "Oh, it's okay, Ramu. It's not going to be forever. Schools, shops, these are closed just to stop people from being all together." Ramu was glad to hear this. He said, "Can I visit you at hospital if I get corona?" Nurse Angela explained, "Unless you need some help, the best place to stay is your home, dear." And she further told him, There are lots of rumors about coronavirus. You should not believe everything you hear. All you need to do is stay at home, wash your hands, and wear a mask. That's it. Ramu is no longer scared. He knows to keep washing his hands, and if sick, at home he must stay. But most of all, he knows that he is going to be okay. So kids, I hope you understood everything about the fancy coronavirus, right? So let's meet in the next story. Bye bye.